on to, this was one fact that I was reading online. Uh, Coughing hard during an heart attack. Like if a patient knows he's going through a heart attack and coughing vigorous, hard and roughly and very quickly, is that of any help? Is that, or is this a myth?
No, I don't know. It's a myth, I believe. See, coughing, see, heart attack is totally different with coughing. See, heart attack secondary to which may lead to failure, then he might bring up the cough. But per se, just coughing too much may not relieve your heart attack or something like that. I don't think so. It's correct.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So I think this is a myth only. Then believe this normal people chatting and bringing it around. Not nothing scientific fact behind it.
Yeah.
So